Wag na ho natin bigyan ng political color ito dahil mga abogado tayo eh. Let's just stick to the Constitution and the rules of the Senate. Ako nga sabi ko, kung gusto nila matapos na ang gulo, sabi nga ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, mag-produce kayo ng ika-13 nyo and I will gladly step down. So, ladies and gentlemen, as of this time, the Senate President is Alan Peter Cayetano. In fact, even Senator Gatchalian acknowledges that dahil siya sa pro tempore lang siya. Hindi ba, Senator Gatchalian?
Attorney, what's your take dito sa statement ng Integrated Bar of the Philippines na they are favoring the Gatchalian block and they're saying na valid daw yung ginawa na it's the quorum na nangyari ay lawful and valid po. Ano pong masasabi niyo po doon?
Are they quoting Abilino?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, they should read Abilino again. Because in Abilino versus Cuenco, the Supreme Court, after reading the opinion of Justice Feria, granted that Senator Tomas Confessor was abroad and therefore could not be compelled to attend. And therefore, only 23 senators. That's why they said Cuenco was, validly elected. Pero tingnan niyo naman po ang position dito. And remember, that is a 1947 case, no? So, even if you look at the constitutional provision then, I think, it still states that all its members, the election shall be, the officers shall be elected by a majority of all its members. All its members. So, ang sinasabi ho natin dito, kahit na nga po may quorum sila, so, okay, kung may quorum sila, okay, granting for the sake of argument. Pero sa election, hindi po talaga valid yung ginawa nilang election kasi 13 talaga ang kailangan. Kasi all its members at walang patay sa kanila. Granting na yung quorum na yun. I-follow nila yung Abilino na one was abroad o i-assume nila na yung dalawa ay hindi na makadalo sa hearing, kaya 22 na lang sila. O sige. But I'm saying that they can compel the presence of Jinggoy, for the purpose of quorum, because only the court can issue an order. O granting. Ibigay mo na sa kanila na meron silang quorum. Hindi pa rin valid yung ginawa nilang eleksyon ni Gatchalian. Because they need a majority of all its members. Under the Constitution and under the rules of the Senate. Ngayon, hindi ko alam kung sinong panapadiscuss nila. Mas maganda, ibitahin natin ng presidente ng IBP dyan sa SMNI para both sides ang marinig natin. Yung side ko, tsaka ni Attorney Abayon, tsaka ng IBP. Anyway, it's a friendly debate because, we are all compañeros here. Pero may nakita kasi akong picture doon I hate to put political color, but isn't that the IBP president standing there with Congressman Adyong in that picture? I may be wrong, but wag na ho natin bigyan ng political color ito dahil mga abogado tayo let's just stick to the Constitution and the rules of the Senate. Ako nga sabi ko, kung gusto nila matapos na ang gulo, sabi nga ni Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, mag-produce kayo ng ika-13 nyo and I will gladly step down. So, ladies and gentlemen, as of this time, the Senate President is Alan Peter Cayetano. In fact, even Senator Gatchalian acknowledges that dahil siya sa pro tempore lang siya. Hindi ba, Senator Gatchalian? Ganda sumagot sa akin si Senator Gatchalian, no? Kaya kayo dyan sa Senate, na mga taga-sergeant at arms kayo, na mga security guards kayo dyan, taga-log-in kayo ng mga visitors, tanggalin nyo na yan sa utak nyo na dalawa ang Senate President. Isa lang ang Senate President. si Senator Alan Peter Cayetano lang. Ang ngayon ang problema, dalawa ang pro tempore. Si Gatchalian, nag-assume siya doon sa block nila. Sabi niya siya ang pro tempore. Kaya siya nag-preside. At ang pro tempore ni Senate President Cayetano is Senator Loren Legarda.
And
Kaya sundin po ninyo, administrative lahat ng mga order ni Senate President Alan Peter Cayetano because there's only one Senate President. And that is Senator Alan Peter Cayetano, who has supervision over all the employees of the Senate. Kaya yung election nila ng Sergeant at Arms, void po yun. Hindi ka nga maka-elect ng presidente. Maka-elect ka pa ng Sergeant at Arms. Ay. Kaya maganda po, bitay na lang natin ang president ng IBP at para masaya naman kami. Ako, tsaka si isa pa, si Attorney Abayon, ganyan.